to the boat. Fuck, not very good. Oh shit, yeah.
Oh yeah, here we go.
Now we want some fun. Are you ready for this? Good size, man.
Woo! Oh, Reese, you'll be spewing.
Is there a pair of pliers to get the hook out?
No,
Should be in the bag. He's going to jump right here beside the boat.
here he comes.
Which way, right?
It's coming up.
He's coming.
Yeah, look at that. Oh, beautiful colours.
Fuck yeah.
It's going for a run.
Lewis.
Oh, there he goes over there to your left. Oh, yeah. Your left, not mine. He's thrashing along the top. Whoa, yeah! Woo! Look at the birds going off. Hey! Fucking sick.
Everything I ever dreamed of.
You want these guys to be on their radio. These guys are hooked up, man. Yeah! Woo! You got a big bow in it, probably. That's perfect eating size. That's coming in the boat.
Perfect eating size, you reckon? This cunt, I reckon, over 100 kilos.
Yeah, nah, he's let him go for another day, mate.
You and Craig the gloves. I don't care, as long as you've got a video.
Yeah, no, I've got it. I've got it, Cuzzy, I got it. Don't you worry about that.
Still haven't found them flies yet. You sure they're in that bag? Yeah, I think they're in the bag.
Can you use the gaff to get it off? The hook? Big enough hook.
Yeah, it's a big enough hook. If one of you's got a hold and the other's got gloves on, you should be able to get it. Depends how much it's fucking swallowed.
Ah, well, if he swallowed it, he's coming with us.
On the one rod we thought wasn't going to go off.
I picked that lure.
There's no fucking flies in here.
I've seen some scissors and stuff in the side pocket down here, so it could be somewhere around there.
For our normal people.
Yeah. What's up?
Mutilated your fucking rod holder, man. What?
Whoa!
Did that come out of there?
No, it didn't.
No,
It didn't.
That was the other rod.
Fuck.
Here we go, he's going to jump in the back. Fuck, can't even get a wine on top.
Let him fucking tire, mate. He's just sitting there trying to get his breath back. Oh, we might have to rotate.
You want to battle, man? Fucking. I don't know if we're going to hook another one.
Nice size fucking fish. Yeah, you can get him in.
I don't care. We've hooked one, I've had a battle on one. Fucking.
I'm doing the filming, mate.
We missed two, we didn't miss this. Nah, just keep grabbing it. I'll keep grabbing that fucking.
Oh, yeah, the lever off.
Make life easy, not hard. I got my game chair and everything. But you're ready to fucking grab the cunt when he's up with you. I'll be fucking useless to you. Once we get the leader up here, fucking take the drag off as you know. Not fucking held out. Just hold me out.
Yeah, he's just getting his energy back, mate. That's all he's doing after his fucking big dives.
These are one of the first knots I've ever tried like this.
Oh, well. At least you know you've done it well.
Well, that's right.
So far.
What's that?
Yeah, it's alright.
That's not even worth it.
Just be happy you're not wearing spotters, mate. They're probably shattering your eyeball. Yeah, just be happy you weren't wearing spotters like me, nearly shattering your eyeball.
Fuck, those are only small ones we got back there.
Yeah.
This cunt wasn't one of them. black. Not a strike. I'm going for another run now.
Steady the time on that.
Yeah, and if it runs out anyway, I'll just quickly switch to SD card.
Wondering how long it's going to take you to get in.
I was going to say, it's going to take a fucking while, man.
Oh, I don't have my GoPro, so.
Put a bit of pressure on your pants on. I don't even know if this drag was set to 8 kilo, because I never had this rod when we come out.
Well, it's set now.
Here he is, here. I can fucking see the shine off him just out the back. Just out there. He's only 10 metres off the back of the boat. See him just out there? Just out there, just second wave. See him? There.
Oh, yeah. Just here anyway, or you're off?
Should have seen him shoot across the top of the water before he jumped. With fucking awesome colours.
Fucking beautiful.
Oh, well, what time do we get out here and how long have we been trolling for?
There's us.
Never ever be able to measure. What's that?
You don't know anything.
No, just put it, yeah, there he is down there. He's coming up.
I don't care.
No, you'd be able to measure him up against the boat.
Yeah.
He'd probably come from the back up to you. Up just as you start coming around the bend here.
Yeah, leave that motor in neutral. Sure. Fucking, he's dogging right under the boat.
Yeah.
I don't know where he is. He's fucking. Oh, get away from that rock. Just, yeah, alright, spin the boat. Spin the boat. Ah, it's already come around the back. I can see him down deep just here. No, it's over reverse. That's forward.
Oh, at least the swells calmed down.
That's right. Fucking nuts are fucking squishy.
Start winding now, mate.
Been whinging, you wanted one all day. But yeah, you got it.
Now we need more. Looking just down here, I can see the cut.
I need this chair in me, mate. You got room up here?
Sure do. So I can lay it down there. It's going around the back of that engine again. There he is. There he is.
He's not taking line, but he's not fucking giving line.
Yeah. This is where we need the spear gun. I'll jump in the spirit.
If Reese was here, that's exactly what he'd fucking say.
You little bastard, wouldn't you? Bastard. Like when you shot the last one. After your mate shot it first.
Yeah, that's right.
Gotta get him, mate. Gotta get him. Oh, awesome colours. Look at that. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but
Oh, the camera will get that.
magic colours. It's tiring out.
Fucking fire,
It's just sitting there. Look at the stripes on it, mate.
You sure it's a black?
Is it? I thought it was when it
Marlin,
jumped.
isn't it?
Stripes.
It's Marlin, isn't it?
Yep.
You don't like the boat?
No.
He's a stripey.
Where's that leader?
Haven't fucking got to it yet.
Can just see the lure. Where's he
I'll be
hooked?
letting you know as soon as I fucking do.
Oh, yeah.
There's the lure on top of the
Yeah,
leader.
just can't see where he's hooked.
I'd say that lure's up against the leader.
It is.
What do you want to do? You want me to grab the leader or not?
Once I get the leader up, I wouldn't grab the double.
Nah, fuck no. I'll wait for the vine on, mate.
Oh no, he's perfect eating size.
You want him?
No. Let him go, mate. Let him go. We need to catch him again when he's bigger. Like, he's good size. You can imagine getting him fucking...
Oh, yeah.
Fuck those blues, man. Best colours. And the gaff is in that same pocket on the other side here.
Bit more on him or not?
Not yet. Still fucking.
You got him wrapped, I think. Here he comes. Oh, yeah!
Got it? Right. You're not going to be easy.
He's not
You
going
got gloves on?
fight. No, I don't. I was going to gaff that thing out.
You got the neutral?
There's a remora on his.
Yeah, just fucking.
Oh, no, you're going to... Because he's wrapped, yeah? I'm going to get a good shot on video
I'm
first.
more want to let go of him. If I can watch that bill.
Fuck yeah.
Do you want me to pull him forward?
He's yours, bro. He's yours.
You're right. That's
Yeah,
it.
Yeah, I was around the front of the console trying to turn him and face forward.
Alright, I'll stop filming now so we can get him in. We've
Yeah,
got
you've got a
heaps of
good
good
one.
film